Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming Python is present. This matters because the rest depends on it. Open Command Prompt and run Python version to see the installed release. If missing, install from Microsoft Store or Python. Org and make sure to check Add to Path during setup. Once done, choose your shell, Command Prompt, PowerShell, or Windows Terminal because you will use it to run commands and scripts. This initial choice affects how you launch Python and manage environments. Now you open your chosen shell and actually run Python. Press Win, type CMD or PowerShell and press Enter, then type Python to enter the interactive REPL. You'll see the prompt. To run a file, navigate to its folder with CD and run Python file name. This executes your script using the selected interpreter. Make sure to run Python version and import sys, print sys. Executable, so you know exactly which installation is active, because multiple versions can coexist on Windows. Finish by making Python easy to launch. Add the Python install folder to Path and System Properties so Python works from any shell, or create desktop shortcuts to idle or VS Code for a GUI. For projects, create a virtualenv to isolate dependencies. If you hit a snag and the command isn't found, try pi-3 or run the full path to Python. exe. These steps identify whether path is the issue. If needed, reinstall and ensure add to path.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.